Assalamu alaikum, Khalid. And to our great listeners around the globe, good morning. As the sun rises over the ancient walls of our great city, we welcome the energy of a brand new chapter.
Hakani, from the bottle markets of Kurumi to the heights of Dala Hill, the spirit of resilience, hope, and progress is alive in the air. Together,
we walk through the challenges of the past year. Now it's time to embrace the opportunities and possibilities of 2026.
At GCMX Africa, we are not just broadcasting, we are growing with you. This year, we bring you more voices, more stories, and deeper connection. We are the bridge between your local dreams and your global stage. Happy New Year! Barkanmu da sabon shekara!
May this year bring peace to our homes, progress to our community, and prosperity to our businesses.
Stay locked onto GCMX African Morning Show. Your #1 dose of inspiration, information, and motivation. GCMX Africa, Miriam.
GCMX Africa, Miriam.